Alright, here goes. Looking for a sell above that bar. Bigger size now, so feeling nervous for the first trade. Looking for 40 cents. We do have a small double bottom here, but I thought this reversal down was strong enough after a second entry short that there'd be sellers above this high and not buyers. Same situation as trade 301. Super nervous just because I don't want to take a loss on this first trade. 10 shares risking 70 cents, so $7 risk. Obviously, to people who are watching who trade more than that, it doesn't seem like much, but it's a pretty big jump. So, for me at least. Oh man. So $4, 10 shares, 40 cents. Really good first trade, really happy with that. Hopefully you can keep it going. I haven't ordered a sell this high, thinking that this move down is strong enough. It's a breakdown from a bear flag. So we might go straight down to a new low, or even if we pull back, I don't think we'll get we won't break above this high. I think we'll get a lower high. And so only sold one share because, again, I don't want to give up the profits from earlier today. I'm willing to scale in higher. But I don't think this first reversal up will lead to a breakout. So, and actually, I didn't know what to do here. I didn't know if I should sell below here or a pullback. But I thought because I'm trading bigger now, I can put out positions like just a one share or two share position if I'm unsure, and it won't really affect the P&L, but it'll allow me to participate in trades that normally I wouldn't be able to take, because one share here I'm risking $1, and for the last 100 trades that was a big loss. But now $1 is not much, so I can place these trades where I think we might have a chance to go lower and scale in higher without taking a loss that will affect my P&L. But that also means that I could get a little bit careless. So because I wouldn't normally take this, so that means I'm taking trades that I wasn't taking in the last 100, which means, and I don't want to be doing something different because the last 100 trades went well. So it's a slippery slope, I think. But I think this is okay like in theory, I think it's okay. So I wanted to take it with really small size. So if I don't scale in, I'll lose $1 total. But I think we should get to my break-even price before getting up here. So if I feel uncertain, I'll just get out break-even. Ended up getting out there. Yeah, I don't know. Like it's a 20-cent trade, 421. It seems like nothing, but it's kind of in a dilemma because I don't want to trade on the second trade. I don't want to trade so big that I ruin the first one. But I also feel like if I see a trade that's reasonable, I also don't want to just let it pass and not take it because 20 cents is nothing. Because for these types of trades where I'm just putting a small share size out, in 6 months that could be $20 or $70 or $80, and so I don't want to just leave it because I think the probability is reasonable for a test down. So I still want to take it, even though right now it's 20 cents. I think it's still worth it to take it if I see that there is an edge. Just bought above this bar with a surprise breakout and then a high one buy. This is a bit too big for me to feel really confident with it. Really big signal bar, so maybe sellers above. I'm not sure. I just took one share to see if we get a breakout from it. After this bar, I was thinking if we get another bear bar, probably sellers above up here. But then this, I didn't think there was gonna be any bar that would be worth buying. But this got so big and became so strong that I thought it might be worth it. Looking to exit here at 303.02. All right, I just exited at the close of the bar. I was hoping for it to get back up there on the same bar because it was exactly 50 cents above my entry, and it was also at a measured move from this initial impulse from the body of this. So I thought there were enough reasons for me to get out there. So I think I got out with 40 cents, something like that. Yeah, so 462. It sucks now because these small numbers seem so insignificant, but they're still good trades. I just have to find the confidence to trade bigger with these ones as well. Because 20 cents, this one was 20 cents, this one was 40 cents. They were both still really good trades. I think they were decent trades to take. But I just traded so small because I didn't feel confident. I didn't want to wipe out the first trade. But had I traded my regular size for all of these, I'd be up maybe 10 bucks today, or $7 to $10. So, yeah, I mean, there's nothing wrong with the 20 cent and 50 cent wins because those will grow as well. But I think I just need to build the confidence to take these trades with regular size, or at least something bigger than one share. Like if instead of 40 cents, it could be $1.50, and that would still be reasonable. But I'm just trading the bare minimum because I'm afraid to lose the profit from earlier. I hope I don't regret this trade, but I'm looking to buy above that bar. And I mentioned that I wanted to go bigger on these trades that I feel moderately confident about. So risking $5 here, which is my profit from today. Super nervous again. We'll see what happens. Thought it was reasonable after this surprise open gap. I think it's an okay thing to do, but nerves are crazy. Like 100 trades over the last 2 months, and I was taking trades very comfortably, and now like every trade is so stressful, even though the parameters are the same. Man, I didn't realize how late in the day it was. So we don't have time for a swing. That's a big mistake. I didn't realize I only had 2 bars left. I'm willing to take a smaller loss here just to get out now. Damn. So I think I lost $1 something. Yeah, $1.40. I mean, that's okay. It's just I didn't realize I only had 2 bars left for the move up. All right, now I'm definitely done.